Good boy. Hey, come here. Hey, come here.
Wow, it's almost not even close to being clean.
I know, but I'm doing a video, and Thor's in it.
Oh.
Yes?
Lick our makeup off, Bubbas.
Hey guys, I'm back again today with a video. Finally. Get out of here! Anyways, I'm back today with the video, and I've been seeing that thing of like someone doing your voiceover going around. My friend Kelsey's gonna do it for me. Another fun thing about this video is while I was filming, my dad came in and was like, "Hey Senna, you got a box from Sephora?" And I'm like, yes! And I got this beautiful baby. In the middle of the video, I did some like really shitty swatches of everything. Anyway, so if you'd like to see this video and like to know how I got this look, but not really know, because I won't be telling you, Kelsey will be telling you, then just keep watching and you will certainly find out. I'll have all the products listed in the description bar so you guys can at least know like kind of what's going on.
Okay, so here we got some Lock-It. I think this is primer. And the key to this look is to have really bad fingernail polish on. Just, you know, rub that in all over your face. Yep. Okay. And then, I don't think that, okay, got this. Okay, yep. And some for your skin, you know. Don't really know. Okay, yep. And then you mix it. And, yep. Just like that. Wow. She's doing her thing. There you go. And then you just put it all over your face. Tap, 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 tap. All over. There you go. You get a little eggy thing. And, yep. All over, rubbing it in. Make sure you're perfectly blended. And you got that stuff. And I guess you mix them together. And we got the contouring. And all over the lines.
Yeah. Yay! Into a night.
Okay, so now we're back. And now you're blending your contour into the creases of your face where I don't really know the point of contouring. Keep on, I don't know if that's the same egg thing, and then another contour thing to, you know, define, and then you draw this tree thing in the middle of the face and a lot of lines, and then you do the egg thing and blend it all in. Yep, there you go. Good blending, Sen. Good job. Yep. How long does this take?
A long time.
Then you got a brush and a lot of, she's going real fast. I don't know what that is. Then you got this Illuminati stuff, and it's very shiny on her arm. That's not where you're originally supposed to put it. I don't think that's the point. And then another one. Wow, very fascinating. Look at those nails. Super exciting. Ginger cream. Here we go. Layer 1. Shade light, I think. And then you got this coffee color on your eyelids. Got some dancing and singing. And naked. Lockout. Got another brown. Serpentina. I would name my snake that if I had a snake.
Serpentina. Color Tina for short.
Color Tina for short. More brown. Senna really likes brown. Then you got this. Yep. Look at that. Wow. Wowee. And, you know, More Illuminati colors. Look at it. Wow. Blue sapphire. In the corner of your eye. You make it really pop. Wow. And then another one. More. How much do you put on your eyes? Damn. Tattoo liner. That it doesn't really tattoo on though. You can take it off. I think. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Good job.
Some more eyeliner. We got purple. They're real. Wow, those are some great lashes. Look at that view. Really great job. Doing great. Then you got some dip brow. She actually doesn't use Sharpie on her on her eyebrows. I almost said eyeliner. Eyebrows. Dog.
No. No. Stinky, look. Look, say hello.
Fill in those eyebrows. Nice and thick. Just how she likes it. Look at that highlight. Wow. Oh my god.
I meant to take that one out too.
Dog. Really like the Illuminati palette. Dog. Star of the show.
It really is.
Okay. Very precise. Yep. Good job. So really, they're not real. Like the mascara said earlier, they're not real. It's all a lie. Gotta highlight the nose. Don't lick her face. And then you want to put this stuff on your lips, but don't do what Kylie Jenner does and make them really, really, like, you know, outside the lines. Look at that highlight. Fleeky fresh. Wow. Look at that. Wowie. Wow. Look at that look. Trendy AF. Especially if you're going to, you know, somewhere shiny. Wow. And pose. All done.
That's it for all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not going to force you, but if you want to, I would be eternally grateful. Thank you. Have a great day, and I hope you had a good Christmas and New Year's. I hope you had a good start to your 2017. Can't be any worse than 2016, so let's go. Okay, you guys? Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.